Hey everybody, welcome to the show. We're going to go check out some trucks of Ford Carlisle. See what we see cool. Alright, see you in a bit. One side of the street we got new Broncos. The other side of the street we got old Broncos. Bronco everywhere. All the colors they made, I swear. Broncos everywhere. Some of them pretty cool. This green was pretty awesome. Got the cutout door area. Some more stockies. Like the retro white wheels on this one. Blue stripes, pretty cool. White one's really clean. This one is not clean, but also just as cool. More new ones. Then we got some real live pink going on. Got Excursion with all the power stroke. This guy's got very wild looking headlights going on, blinking colors and stuff. Another nice Excursion. That thing's shining pretty. Vintage Broncos again. This inside Bronco's pretty cool. It looks like that'd be a fun ride to play with. Blue with purple flames with pink accents. Pretty cool. Thing's clean. 80s model. We got the turquoise 94. Then we got the Mystic. Early 90s. Beautiful blue. Bronco 2. Another one. A little bit of coyote action going on, looks like, maybe. Got a big blue here. Original KCs. Blue stripe, big roll bars. Oh, even did up the glove box to match. That's pretty cool. Skyjacker. Painted leaf springs. Thing's pretty awesome. Clear down to the 90s hubcap centers on the back. Pretty cool vintages. Jeep guy filming Broncos. It's a crazy world. We'll switch over to Illuma duties. I got one of them parked here somewhere. It's mine. Got the light bar in the back. Pretty cool stripes. That one's up there. I could be wrong. Hi, by God, what is a Titan V10? Huh. I don't see the lift V10s a lot. Hood scoopage. Now we're talking. Got some classic Ford trucks. Got the patina going on that one. He got more paint in his hood than I do, though. Pretty cool. 58. 79, I'm gonna say. Another 79. This one's got some diesel action on it. Just look at them lines. Guy is stretched out a long ways. Purple and gray going on here. Pretty cool. Dump truck action. '78. Pretty cool blue on that. Another nice dump. Shined up. Pretty cool.
Nice trucks in this row.
Yeah, they're nice trucks in this row.
Nice truck.
Another '78. Pretty good looking ride. Another diesel. Yep, some pretty cool toys. Fuel caps everywhere. Yes, that is an Explorer. They used to be pickup trucks. Pretty cool. That's a pretty cool ride. Race truck. Nice green. Got some pinstripes going on around the hood in there. 50s.
Yes, it does. That's a big frame. The frame is original, but he swapped the whole front suspension in.
Pretty cool looking rides. Got this Ranger. Got another green guy. This is pretty cool stuff we got going over here. Clear down to the trailer. Short bed Super Duties. Don't see those every day. Tip forward nose. 1986. Pretty clean looking. Another '78. 76, I'm gonna guess. 90s, 80s. Can't shoot them all. This video will get way too long. Another nice. I'm gonna guess 77. Yes. Flare side. Always like me a flare side. 60s. I guess 94-ish. 93 maybe. Pretty cool toys. One of the longest Rangers I've seen lately. And just like that, the rain cleared and it was still lightning. Although some of the lightning is more current than some of the older lightning. But some of that older lightning is pretty cool. And some of it has diesels in it, which is also pretty cool.